Okay, so this was question 7, and it was the first of 2 statistic questions that you had. As you may have noticed, I've drawn out the question as opposed to taking a photograph. There's reasons I won't get into it, it's kind of dull. But anyway, so let's get started. The first one was, I forgot to write it in, but it says the sales figures complete the combined bar chart below showing the 2019 quarterly sales for the company. All right, so let's start with January to March, all right, which is 20%. All right, so that's going to be 20% is 4 of these guys, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, 25 is going to be 5 of those squares, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. July to September will be 3 of those squares, 1, 2, 3, and the remaining 40 is 8 squares, which is what's left over. So let's put that in there. So 40, and there it is there. All right, and that's a combined bar chart there. Then it says these sales figures are also displayed on both the trend graph and pie chart shown below. Which of the 3 is best? So they're asking, is this guy the best? Is this guy the best? Or is this guy the best? And the answer is the trend graph is the best. All right. And a reason being, it provides easy visual comparison. All right. So what do I mean by that? Well, if you look at this bar chart here, you kind of have to go, okay, right, so there's this much. All right. But there's no writing in this here. So which one does that represent? And you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right. So that's 20%. Bit more than that. Pie chart, again, not too bad, but the values aren't given. It doesn't say that October, December is 40%. It doesn't say that January, March is 20%. I didn't color coordinate. Sorry, lads. So these colors have nothing to do with these colors. Things you only notice afterwards. But anyway, well, the trend graph gives you everything that you need. You can see the values of each, all right? And you can also see how they compare to each other, all right? So you get an overall trend, all right? Okay, so the last question then says total sales for October to December was 12 million euro. Find the total sales. Okay, so to do this, I'm just going to use a different color pen. I might use navy, right? So I'm just going to use slightly smaller writing as well because it's a bit squished. So we know that October, December represented 40% of those sales. So 12 million is equal to 40%. We want to find what 1% is. So you take 12 million and you divide it by 40, all right? Which will give you 30, is it 300,000 or 30,000? Let me think, 300, yeah, it'd be 300,000, yeah. Yeah. Shoot, I gotta double check. Okay. Wasn't ready for this. So 12 million divided by 40 is 300,000. Yes, we are right. So 100% then is going to equal that 300,000 multiplied by 100, which will give me, so we just add 2 zeros on. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that is 30 million. 30 million is your final answer. Hang on, let me just rub out that rogue part there. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, there we go. And there's your final answer. All right. Is 30 million. Okay. And that was question 7.